What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Almond Cookie from Cookie Run Kingdom. Now we're going to start in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the eyebrows, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side with a straight angle line coming down and out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then from the inside we're just going to curve this in and up towards the top. Let's go out to the side and round this out. Going out and back in. And I'll follow that same angle line going up and in. From the left side, we're just going to curve the eyebrow going out and then up towards the top. Curve out and then down towards a point. And we'll just taper that back up towards the top. Let's connect the outside to the inside with a slight curve, coming down and then in. Now on the right side, we're going to draw a straight angle line, going up and out, round up the end, and then we'll connect the top. Let's add a fold in the center of the brow, starting from the top, curve down and then out, go back to the top, round up the top, come down and out. Now let's tuck the eyes in underneath. Starting on the left, you're going to step in, come down and bend that in. Then from the inside, come down and out. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the inside and then the outside. Let's round out the bottom, just pulling these back in. And it'll connect the ends with a slight bend. Now you want to trace the eyes along the inside, stepping in, curve down towards the bottom on either side, and it will close off the bottom. Let's add a small circle on the bottom left. Now we're going to move to the center, step down, draw a straight line going across for the mouth. And then underneath the left eye, add a short curve. Now we're going to move out and draw a large half circle for the bottom half of the head. From the left eye, let's step out. Start by coming down, rounding out the head in towards the middle. Go out and back up on the right. Let's go back to the left side, continue that curve going up, and just pull that in towards the top. Now I'm going to brush the top of the hair over towards the right. Starting up here, curve this down, round out the bottom, and then go back up on the right side. And then we'll go back and close off the right side of the head. Just curving this up, pull that in underneath. Now let's add some texture inside the hair. From this point, let's step out, curve up, come down in the middle, round out the bottom, and just pull that up towards a point on the right. And then going back to the left side, curve this up a little bit higher, come down and across the middle, and then again, just pulling this out towards that point. Let's go to the left side, curve to the top of the head, round this out and come down. And then we'll just bend this out towards that point. Now let's move over and draw the hair on the left side. Starting from the side of the hair, curve this out, and then come down. Just bend this back out towards the point. And we'll curve this down and in towards the side of the head. On the inside, let's step out, curve the hair coming down and back in. Let's close off the right side of the hair. Starting from the top, curve this out, come down, and then in. Let's add some stripes along the side of the head. Starting from this point, come down and then in, step up, and draw that same curve. Let's go up to the top, bend this down and in, go up and draw that again. Let's add one stripe on the right side. Come down and in, and then again. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the coat. Starting underneath the head on the left, curve the coat going out, and then we'll bend that down. Let's go to the right side, going the opposite direction, coming down towards the same height. From the inside of the coat, we're going to draw the collar going up and out with a straight line. Curve this up and in. Let's bend this back out towards the tip of the collar, going up and then down. And we'll curve this up and in behind the side of the head. Halfway along the bottom edge of the collar, draw a straight angled line coming down and out. And we'll pull that straight in. And then from the bottom of the coat, curve this out and up. I'm going to bend the side of the coat coming back in underneath that point. So go up and in, leaving a little overlap along the side. Let's add two small diamond shapes on the left, starting with the top. And then we'll add one more just below. From the bottom corners of the coat, let's curve the sleeves going out and up towards the side. Angle this up and in with a straight line. Draw a short line coming in. And we'll curve this back down and in toward the side of the coat. Now let's angle the side of the sleeves coming back in underneath the collar with a straight line. And I'll go back and add two small diamonds along the bottom of the sleeve. Now we're going to layer the body in behind the coat. Starting from the top, draw two straight lines coming down towards the hip, and then we'll connect the hips with a curve. Let's go back up to the top in the center, draw two straight angle lines coming down towards the tip of the collar, angle that back up and out. Let's add in the tie. From the inside of the collar, draw two short lines coming in, close off the bottom. Now from the bottom corners of the knot, angle down and out, angle this down and in. Now we're going to draw that same curve just up above, just coming down underneath the tie and back up. Let's go back up underneath the collar, draw two straight lines coming down, pull that back in towards the side of the tie. Now we're going to step down and draw a straight line going across, and then we'll fill that center area in black. Now we're going to bend the arms going out and then back in along the hips, starting from the side of the body, angle down and out, pull this down and in towards the hips. And then we'll round out the hands coming in, out, and then up underneath the coat. Let's go back to the top of the hands, draw the sleeve going out and then down, step up and draw that twice. Let's straighten out the legs along the side. We're going to start underneath the hand, angle down and then out with a straight line. And we'll pull that straight in towards the heel. Let's angle this back up towards the top. Draw a short line going across, and then pull this back down towards the right. Let's separate the foot from the pant with a straight line. Now add a toe cap. On the left, curve in and then down. Now add a small circle along the top of the toe cap. Now you want to wrap the back of the coat in behind the legs. From this point, let's step up, curve up and in, line this up on the right, and then along the center, draw a straight line. And there we have it. That's how we draw Almond Cookie. Now let's grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's start with the skin tone and fill in the head and the hands. Just working our way around the eyes. And then with this greenish yellow color, we're just going to fill the areas around the eyes and the brow. We'll use that same color for the stripes on the side of the head. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in blue. And with a slightly darker blue, we're just going to add a shadow underneath the brow. I'm going to fill the bottom edge of the hair with this medium brown. And then fill the back side of the coat with that same color. And grab a lighter color for that center section of the hair, as well as the sides. I'll fill the top of the head with this dark brown. Let's use that same dark brown across the legs. As well as the toe caps on the shoes. And then using that same color we used around the eyes for the shoes. And use this orange color for the tie. And then going over the rest of the coat with this beige color. And then doing the same thing over on the right. And now grabbing our dark brown for the belt. And there we have it. That's how we draw and color Almond Cookie from Cookie Run Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because we're posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.